Sous vide food has become the norm in our family for months now. I bought this sous vide kit about 5 months ago and we have not stopped using it since. It comes with great accessories, including one hand pump and three different size head bags that you can reuse over and over again. It comes also with the sous vide clips and the sealing bag clips as well. We use these bags to seal fruits, vegetables, nuts, all kinds of things, and it works really well with the vacuum sealer. I find that it is durable and you can actually put it in a dishwasher and it's dishwasher safe. Now, here I am making steak, and all you do is use the hand pump it comes with and just seal in the air, and it takes about less than 5 to 10 seconds. It's super durable and reliable, and is also dishwasher safe. I put this in the freezer when I'm storing frozen steaks or frozen vegetables, and it comes out tasting really, really fresh. See how easy it is to use here, and sometimes you can just use the clips and clip it right in. The pump is also really durable and lightweight. I love everything about this accessory. I would give this a 5 out of 5 stars.